You gave us your word that you would withdraw your proposals to placate Michael Lowry and his colleagues as part of your grubby government deal. You gave us your word, and it seems you have gone back on it. You have come forward again with proposals that still seek to insist that government deputies would be in opposition slots. It's unacceptable. It will not fly, and I'm on my feet to make that clear to you.
Labour, I want to express our strong opposition to the government attempt to ram through this proposal to designate those who are clearly in government, who have supported the government, to designate them as other members. It's ridiculous to see the tortuous attempts that government is making now to facilitate the Lowry lackeys by this attempt to shoehorn
Deputy.
To shoehorn
Thank you. Deputy, respect. Respect for other deputies.
I'll withdraw that remark.
Yeah, it's withdrawn. Enough. It has been withdrawn. Move
I'll
on,
withdraw
deputies.
the remark. To facilitate...
Move on, deputies. Deputies.
The opposition keep using the phrase of Ceann Comhairle that the government is trying to ram through. It seems to me that the opposition have been trying to ram through a new order in the House and a new precedent. This is an important matter here.
It is an important matter.
I've heard everybody.
Well,
and a new
QPL has
precedent.
been compromised.
And it seems to be now the new order that Deputy MacDonald and Deputy Bacik will dictate who forms the group in this House. The people have elected TDs, okay?
Please,
I think people would be shocked.
Please.
I think people would be shocked at the idea that their TDs don't have the right to speak, don't have the right to ask questions.
20 minutes, Taoiseach, to address Mike Collins.
Whether they're in a political party or not in a political party.
Deputy Collins.
And we're not going to be railroaded or browbeaten or intimidated by the opposition in terms of its tactics.